Hey, guys, today, let's learn to turn off the watch history on YouTube. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn off your watch history on the YouTube applications, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first, in order for us to do this, is to go ahead and tap on the YouTube applications first. And then from here, what I want you guys to do again, is to tap on your profiles on the top right corner. And then let's go ahead and tap on the Manager Google account option. Now, once you're here, let's go ahead and tap on the option to view the history. So that should be located somewhere over here. So let's just basically go ahead and view this options. Over here, basically, it's gonna be located under the Data and Privacy tab. And over here, over History Settings, let's tap on the YouTube history. Now, as you see, we're gonna have the settings of the YouTube history. And if you wanna go ahead and turn off the watch history on YouTube, all you need to do is tap on this turn off button to turn it off, or tap on pause. And that's how you successfully turn off your watch history on YouTube. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one.